back. I'm out of the shower. My hair is washed, deep conditioned, and ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started on this Bantu knot tutorial. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we are going to start on is going to be the parting. Right now, I have my hair sectioned off into two parts. So it's a puff here and a puff there. I'm just go ahead and take this off so we can get ready. Of course, I put the fabric bonnet on after I get off the shower. Only because I don't want my hair soaking wet, because I don't like when it be dripping down my neck. Like, that's weird. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and start on, I don't know which side, but I'm going to go ahead and start. All right, so for the parting, I'm just go ahead and start with this side. I'm going to go ahead and take my hair tie out of this puff. Sorry, guys. Yep, it's real up in there. Okay, ooh, and it's so silky too. I'm glad I deep conditioned. All right, so please don't get tangled. All right, here's what we are working with. Now, I'm not just gonna have all of this out, of course, because then it's gonna be in my way. I am going to do small Bantu knots to make it more defined for my curls. So I'm going to section off with my finger. You can use a rat tail comb or you can just use your finger. I'm just use my finger because I don't want it to be. Okay, so I started the parting. As you can see, it's kind of small, not exactly in a square shape. I'm going to start brushing from and detangling from the bottom, working my way up. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of gel, again, starting a little bit at the top, apply some at the bottom for definition, like so. And then working my way down. Now you can see the definition of my individual curls coming out. So what I'm going to do is grab some of my Cantu curl definer, apply it to the bottom, bring it up, and then detangle again. There it is, right there. So there I am, opening it up, and this smells so good. And again, applying from the bottom, working my way up. Again, just another thing to define my curls. And now I'm going to use my extra virgin olive oil and soybean oil and apply that the same way. Working my way through it, and then I'm going to begin the twist, guys. Begin the twist. Now you can see the excess gel and oil and everything at the top. Look at how defined my curls are at the bottom. So now we are going to start the twist. And again, every so often, just rake my fingers through my curls to make sure it doesn't get tangled. And then I'm going to twist around and around and around like that. Now I'm also going to put a little bit of the olive oil on my scalp. Again, it helps with growth and conditioning. Now I'm just going to go in rows. And again, I'm just using my finger to part, but I'm going to go in rows. So that's going to be a row of 4 that I'm going to do. Kind of easier to part when my hair is wet because it's nappy, but it's cool. It's cool. And then I'm going to tie the rest of it back so it'll stay out of my way. And then I'm going to part with my finger that one strand you see, and I clip the rest back with a bobby pin. Again, detangling at the ends, working my way up. Sorry, I'm trying to get the full in the camera. It ain't working. It ain't working. I got crop, okay? All right. Now again with the gel, and this is actually my first time using this gel. It's Eco Styler. It's the gold one I've never seen before, but it is beautiful. All right, now here's the look. I'm almost done with that side. Now I'm going to start on the other side. Looks weird, I know, but it's cute. Okay. So I'm taking down my other side. I'm going to start the parting. and start my Bantu knots on this side. Again, my hair is still wet from when I washed it. And then this is about 2 hours later, me being done Bantu knotting. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap it with a silk bonnet that I have. And we're going to leave it on and allow it to dry. Oh, wait, I forgot. Okay, at first I'm going to spray with some Got2b hairspray just to keep the twist and hold, but not a lot because I don't want it crunchy. I still want it soft. And now we're going to wrap with the bonnet and sleep on it. This is me sleeping, and this is me waking up. Take the bonnet off, and to unravel them, you don't want to pull them. You just want to twist them the opposite way you twisted them to begin with. So untwist them, and they will unravel themselves like this. See, look, I'm twisting, I'm twisting, I'm twisting, like that. And they will unravel themselves. I like the definition. It's pretty. So again, you just twist, twist. Here I am, just untwisting all over. You can see I'm almost done. And you can also see my length. Hey. All right, and then again, I'm gonna grab the extra virgin olive oil and soybean oil. And I'm actually gonna put a lot on my palm, rub my hands together, and then I'm going to just smooth it on the strands of curls. I'm not gonna start the separation yet. I just wanna moisturize them and give them a shine. So that's what you see me doing. I'm not picking them apart. I'm just moisturizing them a little bit more so they don't get dry. I'm gonna do the other side. And then after I do that, then I'm gonna start separating them. And I'm separating them in 3 or 2 strands, some of them 4. The bigger ones, I separate in 4 because I also want volume on top of definition. All right. And again, make sure you get underneath there because sometimes you'll miss that spot. Here I am. Again with olive oil on my hands, and now I'm just separating the strands like this. See, and make sure you twist the ends so they get back to the curl. So that's what I'm doing now.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. As you can see, it's very bouncy, has a lot of volume. I wanted it to be a little bit longer, but I still got length. It's just, it has shrunk. So the shrinkage is real. My bangs have grew. They used to be right above my eyebrow, and now they grew this much. So I did a length check as well. But this is how my Bantu knots come out. Very unruly. If I had if my hair was still dyed, it faded off. But if my hair was still dyed, you would be able to see the curls up a little bit better. You can see them. You can see them, right? Yeah, you can. But this is the finished look, and I love it. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial on Bantu knots. If you have forgot, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading my next video very soon. It was highly requested and you guys did vote on it. But for right now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
Okay, here it is again, guys, just the finished look. I just wanted to give you one more look at it a little bit better so you can see the definition and the curls. Now the frizz did get to it a little bit, but I like it. It gave me some volume and the curls are still there. I'll put every product that I use in this video in the description box below. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.